Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered what secrets the Milky Way holds? We're about to delve into the mysteries of our home galaxy, the dazzling Milky Way. But first, let's get our bearings. Galaxies, vast cosmic cities of stars, gas, and dust, are the building blocks of the universe. And our Milky Way is just one of the estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the universe. Over the next few minutes, we're going to unravel some of the most astounding facts about the Milky Way. From its warped shape to its cannibalistic tendencies, from its black hole heart to its diverse stellar population, and finally, a glimpse into its future. Each fact more fascinating than the last, revealing a side of our galaxy that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. So buckle up, folks. Are you ready to journey through the star-studded lanes of our home galaxy? Starting our countdown at number 5, did you know our Milky Way isn't flat as we often imagine? That's right, folks. Our home galaxy is more like a Pringle potato chip, all warped and twisted than a flat pancake. Now you might be wondering, why is our galaxy bent out of shape? Well, the answer lies in the way it spins. Just like a spinning top can wobble, so too does our galaxy. As the Milky Way rotates, the gravitational force from its densely packed center exerts a torque or twisting force on the outer regions of the galaxy. This torque causes the outer stars and gases to warp, creating the twisted shape we now know. It's a cosmic dance of immense proportions, with every star and planet swaying to the beat of the Milky Way's spin. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember you're looking at a galaxy that's more like a cosmic potato chip than a pancake. Coming in at number 4, you might be surprised to learn that our Milky Way is a bit of a cannibal. Yes, you heard it right. Our home galaxy has quite a history of gobbling up its neighbors. Over its lifetime, which spans billions of years, the Milky Way has grown by merging with other galaxies. You might ask, how do we know this? Well, scientists have found compelling evidence in the form of stellar streams. These are remnants of smaller galaxies that were torn apart and stretched out along their orbits by the Milky Way's gravitational forces. Think of them like ghostly trails, the cosmic crumbs left behind after a feast. Furthermore, researchers have identified dozens of these ghost galaxies within the Milky Way's halo. These are smaller galaxies that have been absorbed by ours, contributing to its growth and complexity. So as it turns out, our galaxy has been at the buffet table for quite some time, digesting smaller galaxies to become the magnificent structure we see today. The Milky Way, it seems, has quite an appetite. At number 3, did you know the Milky Way has a dark heart? Nestled within the swirling maelstrom of stars and cosmic dust lies a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A*. This celestial monster is roughly 4 million times the mass of our Sun, acting as a gravitational anchor for our galaxy. But what is a black hole, you ask? Well, imagine squeezing the Sun down to the size of a small town. The result is an object with a gravitational pull so strong that not even light can escape, hence the term black hole. The presence of Sagittarius A* influences the orbits of stars near the center of the Milky Way, keeping our galaxy's inner region relatively stable. As for its effect on us, well, we're safe. We're located about 26,000 light-years away from this dark heart, far from its voracious gravitational appetite. Our galaxy, it seems, has a dark and mysterious heart. The second most astounding fact about the Milky Way is its stellar population. Our cosmic neighborhood is teeming with a starry crowd that's nothing short of breathtaking. From hot young blue stars to ancient red giants, the Milky Way's stellar population is as diverse as it is vast. The sheer number of stars in our galaxy is mind-boggling, with estimates ranging from 100 to 400 billion. That's billion with a B. Each of these stars, much like people, has its unique characteristics and life cycle. Some are newborns, recently formed from clouds of gas and dust. Others are in their prime, burning brightly and steadily. And then there are the elders of the galaxy, the red giants and white dwarfs, nearing the end of their stellar lives. Among these stars, we find some truly special individuals. One such star is Methuselah, humorously named after the biblical figure reputed to have lived for 969 years. Methuselah, the star, has it beat by a long shot. It's nearly as old as the universe itself, with an age estimated to be over 13 billion years. This ancient star is a cosmic relic, a glimpse into the past, and a testament to the longevity of stars. It's a reminder that while stars may seem unchanging and eternal to us, they too have a beginning and an end. Our Milky Way is a bustling metropolis of stars, each with their own story to tell. And now, the number one most astounding fact about the Milky Way, its future. As we look ahead, we see a dramatic event on the astronomical horizon. In about 4 billion years, our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is expected to collide with our nearest spiral galaxy, the Andromeda. This cosmic collision is not a destructive crash, but a slow dance of galaxies, taking hundreds of millions of years to complete. Scientists predict that this event will be a spectacle to behold. The night sky will light up with new constellations as the two galaxies merge. Stars will be flung into new orbits, and some might even be ejected entirely. However, due to the vast distances between stars, it's unlikely any will collide. As the galaxies merge, their respective supermassive black holes will also come together. This event could send gravitational waves rippling through the fabric of space-time, a phenomenon that we've only recently started to detect and understand. But don't fret. The Earth and our solar system are likely to survive this cosmic event, albeit in a new location within the newly formed galaxy. This newly merged galaxy, sometimes referred to as Milkomeda, will continue to evolve and change, just as galaxies have done for billions of years. So while the Milky Way's future is set for a major shakeup, for now, we can enjoy our galaxy's star-studded beauty and continue to uncover its secrets. So there you have it, the top 5 astounding facts about our home galaxy, the Milky Way. We've explored how it's not flat but warped, and its cannibalistic nature devouring other galaxies. We've delved into the enigma of the black hole at its heart and the diverse stellar population it houses. Finally, we've pondered over our galaxy's future, a cosmic dance with Andromeda. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember these incredible facts about our home galaxy. The Milky Way is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.